5 best benefit of aloe vera gel. You've probably seen aloe vera gel in countless beauty products, or maybe you've used it yourself for a sunburn. But did you know that this humble plant is much more than just a remedy for burns? Aloe vera gel has been used for centuries for its remarkable healing and soothing properties. And it turns out, it's packed with benefits that go beyond your skin. From promoting healthy digestion to supporting your immune system, aloe vera gel is a powerhouse of natural goodness. Stick around to discover the top 5 benefits of aloe vera gel and why you should have it in your daily routine. Aloe vera has long been a staple in homes around the world. Known for its cooling and calming effects, it's most commonly used to treat burns, cuts, and skin irritations. But there's a whole lot more to this incredible plant than you might expect. Aloe vera gel is filled with vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes that make it a versatile ingredient for a variety of health and beauty needs. Whether you're looking to enhance your skincare routine, improve your digestion, or boost your immunity, aloe vera gel has something to offer. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best benefits of aloe vera gel and why you should consider making it a regular part of your lifestyle. Benefit #1: skincare and hydration. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits of aloe vera gel: skincare. Aloe vera is packed with essential vitamins like vitamin C, E, and A, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients work together to nourish and hydrate your skin, making it feel soft and smooth. But that's not all. Aloe vera gel is also a natural humectant, meaning it helps draw moisture into the skin, leaving it hydrated for hours. Not only does it provide intense hydration, but aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm and soothe irritated skin. Whether you're dealing with sunburns, acne, or minor cuts and scrapes, aloe vera gel can provide relief and promote healing. It's gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive skin, making it a must-have in your skincare routine. Benefit #2: supports digestive health. You might not think about aloe vera gel when it comes to digestion, but it actually plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Aloe vera contains polysaccharides that can help soothe and repair the digestive tract, promoting smoother digestion and reducing bloating or discomfort. Many people who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or acid reflux have found relief by incorporating aloe vera gel into their diet. Aloe vera gel also contains enzymes that assist in breaking down sugars and fats in the digestive system, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients from food. It's also known for its ability to promote regular bowel movements, which is essential for maintaining digestive health. Drinking aloe vera juice or taking small doses of aloe vera gel can help keep your digestive system functioning at its best. Benefit #3: immune system boost. Aloe vera gel doesn't just help your skin and digestive system. It also has powerful immune boosting properties. Packed with antioxidants, aloe vera helps neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from damage and supporting your immune system's ability to fight off illness. The polysaccharides found in aloe vera also stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for defending your body against harmful bacteria and viruses. By regularly consuming aloe vera gel, either in its natural form or as a supplement, you can help strengthen your immune system and improve your body's overall ability to heal and fight infections. This makes aloe vera gel a great addition to your routine, especially during cold and flu season. Benefit #4: anti-aging properties. We all want to slow down the visible signs of aging, and aloe vera gel can help you do just that. One of the standout benefits of aloe vera gel is its ability to stimulate the production of collagen, a protein that helps keep your skin firm and youthful looking. As we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down, leading to sagging skin, wrinkles, and fine lines. Aloe vera gel helps to reverse this process by encouraging the skin to produce more collagen, leading to firmer and more elastic skin. Aloe vera also contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help protect your skin from free radicals that contribute to premature aging. By applying aloe vera gel topically to your skin, you can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while also promoting a smoother, more youthful complexion. Benefit #5: wound healing and scar. Aloe vera gel is widely known for its ability to accelerate the healing process of wounds and cuts. The gel has natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective treatment for minor injuries like burns, scrapes, and even insect bites. Aloe vera promotes faster healing by stimulating the production of fibroblasts, which are cells responsible for creating new tissue. This can help speed up the healing process, reduce scarring, and minimize the risk of infection. For people with acne scars or other skin imperfections, aloe vera gel can also be beneficial. Applying aloe vera gel regularly to the affected area can reduce redness and inflammation, helping to fade scars and improve the appearance of your skin over time. Why you should use aloe vera gel daily. Now that we've covered the top 5 benefits of aloe vera gel, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Luckily, aloe vera is incredibly versatile and easy to use. You can apply it directly to your skin as a moisturizer, use it as a base for homemade face masks, or even drink aloe vera juice to support your digestive health and immune system. The beauty of aloe vera gel is that it's safe to use every day, and the benefits only grow the more consistently you apply it. Whether you're looking for healthier skin, better digestion, or a stronger immune system, aloe vera can help you achieve all of that with minimal effort. And because it's all natural, it's a great alternative to chemical-filled skincare products that may cause irritation or harm to your skin over time. Tips for maximizing aloe vera's benefits. While aloe vera gel is generally safe for most people, there are a few tips to help you get the most out of its many benefits. If you're using aloe vera gel for skincare, make sure you're applying it to clean, dry skin. Aloe vera absorbs best when the skin is free from excess oil or dirt. If you're using it to promote digestion, try drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice each day, starting with about 1 ounce and gradually increasing as needed. When shopping for aloe vera products, look for those that contain at least 95% pure aloe vera gel, and avoid products that contain added fragrances, alcohol, or artificial colors, as these can diminish the effectiveness of aloe vera and may irritate the skin. Expert advice and testimonials. We spoke with dermatologist Dr. Lisa Thompson, who explains the incredible benefits of aloe vera gel, especially for sensitive skin. Aloe vera is one of the best natural skincare remedies because it's so gentle yet effective, she says. It's great for calming irritated skin and can be used by almost anyone, regardless of skin type. We also talk to people who use aloe vera gel daily, like Emily, who swears by it for keeping her skin clear and hydrated. I've been using aloe vera gel for years, and it's the one thing that has helped my skin stay smooth and glowing, she says. It's such a simple addition to my routine, but it works wonders. Incorporate aloe vera gel into your routine. From skincare to digestive health, aloe vera gel is a natural powerhouse that can benefit you in numerous ways. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, looking for a natural anti-aging solution, or simply want to support your digestive and immune health, aloe vera gel is a simple yet effective addition to your routine. The best part is, it's natural, affordable, and easy to use. If you haven't tried aloe vera gel yet, now is the perfect time to experience its incredible benefits for yourself. If you found these aloe vera gel benefits helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Let us know in the comments if you've tried aloe vera gel and how it's worked for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.